Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. So today I'm going to show you the most important feature of ChatGPT that you can use on a day-to-day basis if you are using ChatGPT mostly for documenting purposes and writing documents and creating drafts, email writing. So yeah, this feature is, and this video is going for you only. So yeah, stick to this. I'm going to share each and every step with you. Here we go. So you need to go to my chatgpt.com and log in with your account, and here in the chat box you need to type, let's say, write a professional email to my boss for a 3 days sick leave. And you can mention it here also, like open it in Canvas, or you can also click on plus, then go to more, and then add it open Canvas here. So both works, like any option you can use. Just click on send prompt. So this is the output ChatGPT has given, and this email is looking very professional. You can click on this edit button here, and you can open it in Canvas like this way. So if let's say this link is not, so this line you are not comfortable with, so you want to change this line, so just ask, and let's say just select that line, and there will be a dialog box, ask ChatGPT. Just click on ask ChatGPT, and you can change only this particular line. Instead of going and rewriting the prompt, just edit this line. So you can, let's say, make it more polite. Press enter. So here you see the magic. Like only this particular line has been updated as per your requirement, and the rest of the part of that email or content is exactly same. Nothing changed. So this way you can use the canvas, and this is not it only. Like here is another feature that you can use in Canvas. Like as you can see in the right side corner, these are the options available. Like add emojis, add final polish, reading level, or you can also adjust the length also, like this way you can make it longer, and then press enter. So this is same email will have a longer version, like you can see the more lines are added. So this way you can use the ChatGPT Canvas, and I use it on a day-to-day basis, and this is very helpful if you are mostly working on documenting purposes, creating PDF draft and document for your office user or for your personal uses. Thanks for your time. Let's join back for the next video later on. Thank you.